So now we are well into 2025. That's usually a moment in the year where companies are starting some IT projects or kicking off new initiatives. And of course, modern IT projects require modern testing solutions. This is why it's my pleasure to welcome you to the first ever Int4 Suite Spotlight, where we will highlight all the biggest and greatest of the next release, making sure you have the right tools to support testing of your next big project. My name is Marcin Gałczyński, and since I am the head of product for Int4 Suite, it will be my pleasure to kick off this spotlight with a feature I'm quite excited about, the virtual folders. I really like this one as it came directly from the customer. With Int4 Suite, thanks to the robotic crawler, it's easy to create a test case library that spans thousands or tens of thousands test cases. Such a big volume is not easy to manage, so you can then use test case analysis and machine learning features to limit that scope while preserving the coverage. Here on this example, you can see such a structure generated. And while it's easy, from what you can see, to test like whole regions or countries, sometimes you want to filter down to specific interfaces or the lower levels of the structure. Let's say you want just to test invoices or orders. Now, have a look how I can use the virtual folder definition to easily narrow the test scope just to invoices, regardless of the customer or the business area. I can also easily execute them. The virtual folders will keep their structure as long as you need it. And don't worry if you add or remove test cases. The virtual folders will be updated automatically.
Hi everyone, my name is Bart and I'm Head of Customer Success at Int4. Today I would like to introduce you a powerful feature which will allow you to test APIs exposed by SAP API Management. So how does it work? Int4 Suite Cockpits allows you to import and test APIs. Now, you could import an API definition from API portal. Select the environment and choose the desired operation, for example, post sales order from S4HANA. Then, execute the call with the parameters and headers and save the request as a test case. We also allow chain of test cases. You could easily define the parent test case, child test case, and link it together. As a next step, you could execute both test cases to verify the entire process. Int4 Suite provides a clear view of the test results and their dependencies, allowing the efficient and reliable API testing. With that, we can easily support testing of the SAP API Management APIs, helping to quickly achieve enterprise-grade testing without much effort, in repeatable and organized fashion.
Hello, my name is Michał Ronka and I'm working as Design Authority at Int4. The feature that I'm really happy to share with you is native support for SAP B2B/TPM. Trading partner management is getting a real traction in many SAP integration projects. This is a powerful solution that is arriving with a really handy monitoring capabilities. When we at Int4 see the messages being logged, we want them. After all, we are really well known for automatic test case creation based on historic data. With new SAP TPM support, you are receiving a new test types that are working on interchanges, not iflows. So you are able to test your B2B integration within one test case. On top of that, you can really scale up with brand new TPM robot. And it's not ending here. Treating B2P TPM as a first-class citizen, we are allowing you to download your partner directory and create a folder structure based on this. Basically, you can mirror your integration suite B2B scenarios into a library of test cases in Int4 Suite. This is simplifying B2B testing, removing out of the way the complexity of the iflows, and really allowing you to create a test case library for every B2B integration you have.
Hello, my name is Donatella Netzarov and I am your account coordinator at Int4. The feature that I'm thrilled to introduce is a full Int4 Suite support for Edge integration cell testing. More and more SAP customers decide to go hybrid with their integration approach. The need to leverage both on-premise and cloud resources is widely recognized, allowing companies to optimize costs and enhance security and compliance. Now, no matter what drives your journey towards hybrid integration, one key goal remains the same. You need to be able to test quickly, effectively, and in an automated way in order to shorten your release cycles. With Int4 Suite, you receive the exact same look and feel of the best-in-class integration automated testing, no matter if your integration is both on-prem or cloud, or both are running at the same time. This allows hybrid integrations with Int4 Suite with current skills and knowledge in your team, meaning you can change the whole integration paradigm, but for your team, it's just another SAP integration testing with Int4. Thank you and see you next time.
Hello, my name is Michał Ibrom and I work as an Int4 Suite architect. If your organization uses event-based platforms like SAP Advanced Event Mesh or SOLAS, I've got great news for you. Int4 tool can help you now test them. With this feature, you can test communication with AEM or SOLAS PubSub Plus. You can collect the data from topics or queues into Int4 tool repository, and you can simulate and virtualize those events as if they came from the original source systems. We believe this enhancement will not only unlock testing of those event-based platforms, but ultimately should accelerate the overall testing process through automation, similar to other integration technologies already supported by Int4 Suite. Ultimately, this should ensure the best possible quality of your real-time event-based scenarios. Happy testing!
Hello, my name is Mateusz Nowak and I'm an Int4 Suite architect. I'd like to introduce a new Int4 Suite feature that makes the SAP change request process smoother than ever. Our solution already lets you set payload and database validation ignore roles, which means you can mark certain fields like creation date or time as expected to change. If those fields differ in your test results, the test still passes. But we've gone one step further for change requests. Imagine you need to add a brand new segment to your payload as part of a change request. With our new special role and a dedicated test run type, Int4 Suite identifies that this difference is tied to a change request and marks the test as pass, indicating the difference is intentional. This way, your team immediately recognizes it's part of an approved change request and can move forward confidently, which greatly reduces the communication effort and increases teamwork. Give it a try and see how our new role streamlines testing for SAP change requests.
And with this, our first ever Int4 Suite Spotlight is over. Thank you for joining us. If you're a current Int4 Suite customer and you'd like to see how the features can help you in your operations, please make sure to contact your designated customer success representative. And if you're just seeing this for the first time and you've been thinking if the software could bring value for you or your customers, please don't hesitate to schedule a demo with us by using the link below. Thank you for joining us today, and we're looking forward to see you in the next Int4 Suite Spotlight.